Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be making us some supper. Going to be whipping us up something fairly quick. And this is y'all an old classic recipe. Can you tell what it is by looking? I got me some spaghetti and meat and all kind of goodness. Looks like spaghetti, but put it in reverse. Just a second, it ain't quite spaghetti. It's got a little twist with it. We are going to be making spaghetti pie.
Spaghetti pie.
Spaghetti pie. Yes, we are. So I have boiled about a half of a 16 ounce. Well, I did about 8 ounces of spaghetti, and I boiled them. You just want to cook them al dente, and so far the only thing I've done, of course, I boiled it in salted water. Y'all know that's a given. Always salt your water, honey. The only thing I've done is I put 2 tablespoons of butter in this while it was still hot. So now we're going to be mixing something else because these noodles is actually going to be our crust. How about that?
That's interesting.
Spaghetti noodle crust. All right.
You got my attention.
All right. You with me?
I'm with you.
We're going to put 2 eggs in here. 1, 2. And we're going to add more little goodies in that. We're going to be putting some Parmesan cheese in it and some mozzarella cheese in it. And but let's go ahead and give this a little stir right now. Just going to mix this up. Now, them eggs and this cheese is going to act as a binder. So it's going to keep it into a crust. So let's put about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese in here. Just measure with your heart. And about 1/2 cup of this mozzarella cheese in there. There you go. Now we're just going to give this a little toss, just like so. Just like this. Look at that.
It's looking pretty good.
Uh-huh.
I might just eat that.
Well,
it ain't got to do much more than that.
No.
Yeah, put a little,
It's got a little
sauce
egg in it. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
I'm going to add just a little salt and a little pepper to it. I never use these back here, y'all. I always forget about it.
They're neglected.
They
get neglected back there.
Yes, they get neglected. So a little salt and a little pepper. Now, like I said, I've already salted that pasta while it was cooking. So I got my little dish back here. We're going to pour it in my little dish. Now I have buttered my little dish. I did see y'all, she's broken, but honey, she's still precious. She's like me. She might be old and wore out, but she's still functional. Somewhat.
It's got a lot of life left.
I still work.
It's got a lot of life left.
Yeah, it's not on the top, so it's not going to affect anything. So we're going to just go ahead and pour this in here. Pour in. And I may have cooked too many noodles.
No, there's nothing wrong with it.
It's funny because you know what I did? Russell knows what I did. I cooked them and then I said, you know what? I don't think I got quite enough. And then I went and made some more.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with a little bit more.
So you're supposed to just layer it on the bottom and kind of up the sides. So Russell, you might have your wish there. You might have a little extra.
There's nothing wrong with a little extra.
Nah, a little extra do you good. Now, actually, I'm going to just pour some more in there to go up this side.
Ain't gonna hurt.
Nah. And it's just for me and him, so, you know, we're not doing a whole big full recipe, but I will post it as a full recipe. This is something good. All the little kiddos is out of school, and Mama's is hunting some supper.
Like a bird nest.
I did, yes, like a bird nest. Exactly what we're doing. All right, now we are going to start with the hamburger meat, and I do have a little Italian sausage. So instead of 1 pound of hamburger, I did a 1/2 pound of hamburger or ground beef and a 1/2 pound of the Italian sausage. And so we're going to get that going back here now.
Ooh-wee. Y'all hear that?
Good old spaghetti sauce. Look at that.
That's the
look at all that.
homemade variety, y'all.
Yes, it is. And then got some on the side. All right. We've already got this pot ready to go. I said, well, I don't want to be struggling with that. All right, now we are going to start with our hamburger and our sausage. So I'm just going to dump this on in there. Start breaking it up. And we are going to season this bad boy because you can't not season it, right?
No.
Go all
have flavor.
Gotta have that flavor. Sure is. Surely we do. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some salt and some pepper. A little salt there. Little pepper. Boom, 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 boom. Just do with what you want to do. And I've got some basil there we're going to add to it. Some oregano. Some Italian seasoning. And
She's getting going now.
yeah, she's getting fired up, ain't she?
Mm-hmm.
Getting all sassy.
Waking up.
Yeah. We just got a little bit of seasoning right there. I'm going to go ahead and just add some more garlic powder and onion powder. Because, you know, that's just goes hand in hand, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can skip this if you want to. We're going to be putting some minced garlic in there as well. And real onions, so you really don't have to do this. But I do like the
I think it's a different flavor though.
it is. It brings a different layer of flavor to it. And I'm going to go ahead and dump about a teaspoon of this Italian seasoning in there. Like I said, you do you, honey. Measure with your heart. And I love the oregano. I think oregano gives that pizza,
Yes.
you know, just the best flavor. That old-timey pizza flavor that you missing. You're like, oh, it's just not like it used to be. It's the oregano. And I've got some freeze-dried basil. And I'm just going to put I'll just put about a teaspoon of that in there as well. So a teaspoon of each of these little goodies. And I'm going to just give this a little stir. Like so. Now we still have another layer, y'all, to make with this. And that's going to be the ricotta layer. And it's kind of like lasagna meets spaghetti. And this is what this little dish is going to be like.
Sounds good.
It is. And this really is an old classic dish that mamas used to serve back in the 70s. It was really popular in the 70s. Not that I was around too much for that. I was.
We were unfortunately, but we was little. We was
little fellers.
We was little Pete.
Yeah, but we were here. But anyway, I'm just gonna let this cook and just cook the pink out of it. And actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna just go ahead and add my onions. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Go ahead and let them be getting soft. Now I've got a half of Vidalia onion. About a cup is what that is. Good old sweet Vidalia. And we're going to just get this mixed up because that onion brings so much flavor. And when we get this onion, then I'll add the garlic after this gets a little tender. Then we'll add some of that garlic into it.
Y'all that watch us know I'm just getting in here to smell that onion, y'all.
He is. He's an onion sniffer.
Bringing y'all in here with me.
I wish we had smell-o-vision, but we don't.
I do. I know.
One day, maybe.
The people that create that will hit the home run.
Yes, indeed.
When I can send that smell into your living room, all y'all gonna be fat.
I wish we could bring everybody over and just set a big old table.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
It's not real feasible. But anyway, I'm going to cook the pink out of this. And I'll come back and show you the next step. All right, y'all, just got some garlic. You know, I'm going to just put one big old heaping tablespoon in there.
I don't know if it's Italian. It's got to have some garlic.
Gotta have some garlic. Somewhere up in there, don't it?
Oh, yeah.
I do love me some garlic.
Yeah, oregano and a garlic. That's
basil.
Like basil. That's like a must.
Yes. And I just taste this meat to see if it had enough salt. Honey,
point.
It was on point. That's exactly right. All right, now we are going to add our little sauce.
Oh, the
Now
good.
you can use spaghetti sauce. You can do tomatoes and season the tomatoes, but you know, you just add whichever you want to go, whatever way you want to go with. But I can my sauce, and I said, well, Lord, ain't no sense in it just sitting on the shelf. We got to use
it's
it.
delicious too, y'all. Wow.
So good.
Like going right back to summertime. Fresh tomatoes.
It is. Now, I'm just going to let this get friendly for just a few minutes, because you really do want it to kind of cool off a little bit. So we're just going to simmer it for just a few minutes, and then I am going to finish it off. We're going to be adding that cheesy ricotta layer to it, and it's going to make it delicious. I've got my oven set at 350 degrees, y'all. So I think this is all right here. Let's go ahead and get the cheesy layer done. All right, y'all. Now we're going to mix up this little cheesy goodness. I just got some ricotta. I went to Aldi. We're going to do about a cup of ricotta here. And this is 15 ounces. So just, look here. I got my little measuring cups here, and I still just do what I want to do. How about that? All right, and then we're going to mix the spices with this. I'm going to put a little parsley in here. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of everything in here too, because we want that just as flavorful, right?
That's right.
Want it to have all these good flavors. A little basil. All this little goodness. Get the top back on. I'm on the struggle bus with that law. A little oregano. We'll give this a little mixy mix, and we're also going to put some Parmesan cheese in this, kind of like we do with lasagna. And I'm going to put maybe about a half a cup in there as well. Now, we got a little mix. And I'm going to add some garlic and salt and pepper. See what I'm going to do. Good flavors. Good, good. A little salt, a little black pepper. I did add some more salt, y'all, into my little meat mixture. I tasted it. That's why I say, taste your food. Yummy. All right, now we are going to put this cheese mix right on the noodles. Just like so. Give it a little spread here.
It's going to be a creamy, cheesy layer there, man.
It is. Let me get listen, we ain't missing out on nothing. We're getting all this goodness up out of here. We ain't trying to mess around and leave none of that in the bowl. Well, now places put the bowl, but give a little spread. Yummy. That already looks just delicious.
I know.
I bet some spinach would be good in that too. But I'm trying to keep it classic. I didn't add no mushrooms. I didn't add. Now you can add some bell pepper into the sauce, but
I was thinking mushrooms already in my head.
I know.
I know.
And I was thinking, I'm just gonna try
and
to
some
keep
pepperonis, maybe.
I know.
Hey.
You will have
yeah.
a whole pie over here. And it is a pie.
Yeah.
So we're just going to go in like this. We're going to put our little sauce all on it, y'all. I'm going to scoot her over there because we don't want to lose no sauce, do we?
No, we do not.
I'm going to have some sauce left over. I told Russell, I said, Lord, I might could do another little one because I had those little noodles left over.
And I was not complaining about that.
No, he was not.
I did not think that was a bad idea.
He loves spaghetti, don't you, Russell?
Yeah.
The man can eat spaghetti.
I do love me some
He
spaghetti.
loves
I
him
really
some
do.
spaghetti.
I grew up in a spaghetti
He
household.
did. So we did too, I guess, because it was fairly cheap.
It was
back
cheap.
then.
Yeah.
Back then,
well, we
yeah.
ate that probably every week. We ate spaghetti.
Yeah, we probably we had it a good bit too. Now, can't have it without some topping on it, right?
Yeah, pie got to have some cheese on top.
Oh goodness, we got some shredded mozzarella. Y'all already know. Listen, shred your own. It melts better. It don't have that caking powder
That wax
in it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Look at there.
Mm-hmm.
And I used between adding the cheese and the noodles, and here I used 8-ounce block. That's what I shredded. All right, in the oven she goes, and really the only thing that's not done is that we added a little bit of that egg in the noodles, but that is it. So we're gonna cook it maybe about 30 minutes or until it gets beautiful on the top, all melted and ready to go. So I'll be back then. All right, y'all. 30 minutes. This is what she looks like.
Wow. She be looking good.
Mm-hmm. Ready to cut into it and give it a little try.
I'm ready to see I'm ready to see how
right.
this thing turned out.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. It's tasting time.
Tasting time.
And this actually made 2, y'all. I made 2 with the leftovers.
And I ain't complaining.
No. He said he ain't mad about it.
I'm not mad about that. That's really good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All good and cheesy. Some cheesy goodness. I love cheese, y'all.
Yeah, with the ricotta and
it.
It's next level.
And you can totally do this with cottage cheese too if you have cottage cheese. Whatever you got on hand.
Just go ahead.
Just go ahead.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you approve.
Yeah, I'm just going to eat the whole plate, y'all.
And y'all, it really, really did not take that long either. It didn't throw it together. And you could have done this in a big casserole dish for a family. It ain't necessarily got to be in a pie pan. But it did cut pretty good when it come out. It's like spaghetti and lasagna had a little baby. And this is what it is, a little spaghetti pie.
Yeah, it's going to look like I had a baby when I get through eating all this spaghetti pie. But
stop.
hey, I'm going to enjoy it.
Yes.
And y'all, I love spaghetti. And this is like...
Next level. It's on up there, huh?
Right of the picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
And doing some stretching.
You know what I'm saying? I can tell y'all how good that is. That was very next level spaghetti.
Well, good. I'm about to enjoy some too.
Yeah, I'm making her hungry. She's seeing me devour it.
I am.
And I can't quit eating it. I'm just kind of...
I told him, I said, need some garlic bread or something beside it. But he, of course, is not the bread person, so...
It don't mean nothing to me. Just...
a fork.
Yeah.
That's all it needs. Anyway, y'all.
A little bit of something wet to wash it down. That's all it needs. Yep.
Yes. Yep. But I hope you try this. If you do, y'all know, holla.
Yes.
Let us know.
Please let us know.
Yes.
Let us know on this one. I'm curious to see which ones of y'all try it, because spaghetti is one of my favorites.
And if you've had it, growing up, let us know.
Yep.
But like I said, it's an old recipe. A lot of people on No Tickety Talk, they think it's new and it's going viral and all this. No, it's not new. It's old school. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time.
Peace.